Hello everyone, this is Shuman Mahmood, a professional web analyst and conversion tracking expert. I done another custom site Google Ads conversion tracking completely set up. This is the Google Tag Manager container, and this is the custom site, totally custom site. And I already create a data layer push, add to cart, begin checkout and purchase. Then I create a Google Ads conversion tracking, add to cart, purchase, begin checkout and purchase. Now I'll show you the tag is working or not working. Just click the preview button. Then continue. Close this one. Just select get quiet. And then any book now is the button add to cart. Okay, so click the book now button, and then I show you here is the add to cart file, Google Ads add to cart, and this is the data layer, value and currency, and then complete the information, then I book, and when the book the from, then client is count begin checkout. Okay, so click the continue button. Now not fired because only click here, but no, when go for payment, then fire begin checkout. Okay, just click the begin go for payment. Okay, then here begin checkout and 4.68 completely successful. Okay, then I show you, sorry, hide this one. Okay, then click the pay, booking successful, and here is the success. Yes, here is the success. And then I show you here is the purchase, and the value and currencies successful. Okay, and tag is the here Google Ads purchase tracking. All are completely successful. So if you need any of those related service, you just knock me. I will available. I will assist you for grow your business. Thank you.